What is code analysis? Source code analysis, it is the automated testing of a programmer uh, source code with the purpose of finding the faults or the bugs and fixing them before the application can be distributed or sold. So this source code analysis is actually synonymous to the static code analysis, where the source code is analyzed simply as a code and without running, that the program is not running. And this removes the need for creating and using the test case, and this may separate itself from feature specific bugs like buttons being a different color than what the specifications say. So this code analysis concentrate on finding faults in the program that may be say detrimental, uh, maybe in future to its proper function, like a crash causing some lines of code. And this source code analysis is basically an automated code debugging, and the aim or the idea is to find bugs and faults that may not be so obvious to a programmer. So it is meant to find faults like say possible buffer overflows or untidy use of pointers, or you can say misuse of garbage collection functions, all of which this may be exploitable by a hacker. So code analyzers, they work using rules that tell it what to look for, and with little or too little precision, an analyzer might spew up or come to a conclusion that many false positives, and they may flood the user with user's warning, while too much precision might too take long to finish. Therefore, need to have a balance of what you need to check. So there are two kind of analyzers, code analyzers. One is interprocedural, that is, it is going to detect the patterns from one function to the next interprocedural, and these patterns are correlated so that the analyzers can create a model and they can simulate the execution paths, and they can be intra-procedural. And these kind of analyzer, they focus on pattern matching and depends on what kinds of patterns the user is looking for. So this interprocedural analyzers, they are more modern and more complex, and you can have a good example of this like Coverity, Fortify, Microsoft's own centralized tool like Prefix, interprocedural analyzer. And source code analysis is the automated testing of your source code for debugging a computer program or application before it is being distributed. The source code consists of statements created with a text editor or a visual programming tool, and they save in a file. So this was about source code or code analyzer. Thank you so much.